May's Adventures! Hey, I'm May from May's Adventures, and today I'm foraging in Nicaragua. Nicaragua is in Central America, and they have many tasty different plants as the weather is tropical. So when we go foraging, we always need to make sure there is an adult with us and that either the adult or both of us know exactly what plant it is we're foraging. You need to be very sure, as we don't want to eat the wrong plant and then get an upset tummy. So make sure you're always very sure what the plant is, and that it's not a rare plant, because we don't want to pick the rare plants as we want them to grow more. So let's get foraging. I'm here where there's a nice tasty plant. This one is called Cockroach. Cockroach in Spanish means cockroach. Do you think this plant looks like a cockroach? No, me neither. What a strange name. But it is very tasty. Let's have a closer look at the cockroach plant. There's so much. We can eat these leaves raw. I like to have them on a yummy salad. And look, they have two stripes down them. Sometimes they're greener, and sometimes they look a little bit purple, like this. So, we want to choose one that looks nice and yummy. We don't want a bitten leaf like this one, because the insects have been eating at it. And we don't want a dirty looking one. So let's choose a nice clean one. How about this one right here? Pick it off. There we go. It's a cockroach leaf. Now I can take this home to eat on some salads. Or this one can be eaten raw, so this one I can eat now. So yummy. I'm going to take some more home for my salad, but not too many, as we want to leave some for other people and to leave some to grow more. So we just take only what we need. So I'm going to take a handful home for my salad. Look at this cool cactus. I love cactuses. And this cactus we can eat. You take off, you cut it just here, above where it joins to the other part of the cactus, and then cut off these pointy edges, cut it up, fry it, and then they're so yummy to eat. Like a stir fry. Yum yum. I didn't know we could eat cactuses until I found this Nepalese cactus. And they're so good for us. Yum yum. Here's a banana tree. And there's the bananas. This is the flower of the banana. But we can't eat the flower. Just the bananas, like that. These bananas aren't ripe enough yet. As they're very small, bananas need to be much bigger. But look, there's the juice of the banana that feeds the banana to grow coming out. Let's have a closer look inside. Let's have a look inside then. The skin is much tougher because it's not ready to eat. Oh, look. It does look like a banana, but definitely not ready to eat. It would be way too tough to chew. And it's so green. Have you ever seen a green banana? When the bananas go yellow, that's when they're ready to eat. When they're green, they don't taste good. No. But the animals can enjoy this one. These leaves are basil leaves. There are lots of different types of basil leaves. These ones are lemon basil leaves. Basil is so tasty and so strong in flavour when it's fresh like this. We can put it in our cooking to make our meals very tasty. I'll try a bit now. Yum yum. I'm gonna take some home to cook in my dinner tonight to make it very tasty. In here is a papaya tree. Many papayas grow along this tree, like this one up here. This one is a very small papaya. They grow very big, and then we can pick them off and eat them. They start off green, like this one. And then when they go orange, they're ready to eat. And so sweet. These leaves are called cactus. And we can eat them raw. Just like this. Yum yum. They're so yummy and good for us. And there's so many. I will take lots of these for my salad, but not too many. We only take what we need. So then other people can have them, and animals, and then they can grow more. And remember, always make sure you're very sure of the plant, and that it's not an endangered rare plant, as we don't want to take those ones because they're too rare. Are called star fruits. Do you think they look like a star? Me too. These are very small star fruits. They need to grow much more before we can eat them. But when they're ready, they're so yummy, but can taste a little sour. but still, so yummy. So we'll wait until they're ready to harvest. This tree is called Moringa. These leaves feel so fragile, but they are so good for us. They have 100 times more nutrients than spinach. And spinach is so good for us. So this Moringa is super duper good for us. Yum yum. And this also can be eaten raw. Yum yum. And this is oregano. Oregano is so strong. This is a type of oregano that grows in Central America. So it looks different from what it grows like in Europe. We take the top 4 leaves, like these, so then it can grow again out of there. And we can put this on our dressings to make our meals very yummy. And salads. We can eat it raw, it's very strong. Shall I try? It's so strong tasting though. It tastes better if we cut it up and put it in little pieces all over our food. So I will do that instead in my dinner tonight. I'm gonna have such a yummy dinner. I've had so much fun foraging in Nicaragua, so I'm going to take everything home and cook in lots of dinners. But when we're trying new plants, we should only try 1 new plant a day, and to make sure we're not allergic, we should rub it on our skin to make sure we don't have a reaction. And remember, make sure you always know what the plant is, for sure, for definite. Thanks for joining me on my foraging adventure. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!